In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Vimeo AI Script Generator. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's get started. First, you will want to open up Vimeo on your device and sign into your account. If you don't already have an account, make sure to create one, as having an account will allow you to access all of Vimeo's features, including the AI Script Generator. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the Vimeo homepage. From here, look for the record button. It should be easy to spot on the page. Go ahead and click that record button, and it will take you into the record studio. This is where the magic happens. Now that you're in the record studio, you'll see a recording preview window. Below that preview, there's a bottom toolbar filled with different tools that you can use while recording. Among these options, you'll want to find and click on the teleprompter tool. This is going to be your best friend when it comes to keeping your script right in front of you as you record. Once you click on teleprompter, a new window will pop open. This is your AI-powered script space. Now, look towards the lower right corner of this teleprompter window. You should see a button that looks like little AI sparkles. Go ahead and click that button. When you do, something exciting will happen. An AI panel will appear right before your eyes. Now here's where you can let your creativity flow. You will see a field where you can type in what you want your script to be about. Don't worry if you're struggling with ideas. Vimeo has got your back. There are also example prompts available that you can choose from if you need some inspiration. Next, you need to select the duration for your script. You'll notice options for short, medium, or long. Think about how much time you want to spend on this topic and choose accordingly. Now let's talk about the tone of your script. This is important because it sets the mood. You can pick from tones like casual, direct, formal, confident, funny, or inspiring. Select the one that suits your message best. Once you've filled out all these options, you're ready to click the Generate button. This is where the AI does its magic. Vimeo's AI will take your inputs and create a script for you inside the teleprompter. It's pretty impressive to see it come together in real time. Now that the script is generated, it's a good idea to read through what the AI has created. Take your time here. You can manually edit it if needed to make sure it sounds just right for you. One tip, don't hesitate to put your personal touch on it. If for any reason you're not completely happy with how the script turned out, don't worry. You can use the options within the AI panel to make longer, make shorter, or even to try again for a new version. Once you're satisfied with the script, you can easily close the teleprompter by clicking the X. And just like that, your script is ready to be used while you record. I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful. The Vimeo AI Script Generator can really streamline your video creation process, letting you focus more on delivering your message than worrying about what to say. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to play around with the features to find what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this content, definitely consider subscribing and liking the video for more insightful tutorials. Happy recording!